So Huawei Philippines just lent us one of their new devices. And itong device na to features a powerful lens, enriched portrait modes, and AI photo capabilities. Hi guys, my name is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Huawei Nova 13. Before ang lahat, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We publish videos about tech unboxings, first impressions, events, as well as tips and tricks na din. Pakiclick na din ng bell icon to get notified pag may bago tayong video. Now inside the box, we find the device itself. Tabi na muna natin siya. Meron din tayong SIM ejector tool, a free clear case, Huawei supercharger, and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. If you notice, di kasali yung paperworks. This is a loaner unit kasi lent for reviewers. Don't worry though, kasali naman siya sa retail unit. Now let's check out the device itself. Ito na ang Huawei Nova 13 in white colorway. Yung back design niya has this plaid texture, which I actually kinda like, since it looks classy and sophisticated. Now it is plasticky, but yung texture niya feels good to the touch. Dito sa baba we can find the Nova logo, and sa taas naman is ang rear cameras. But more on them later. Like most mid-range phones these days, flat yung gilid niya. Rounded din yung corners niya, too round in fact, and I'm not sure if I like it that way. Like the Nova logo, chrome din yung sides. It looks nice and all, but it becomes a fingerprint magnet. For buttons and port locations, we have the power and volume buttons dito sa right side. Yung power button is also highlighted by a red line. We have nothing naman sa left side. At the top is the mic for video recording. At sa bottom naman is a single firing speaker, USB-C port, mic for calls, and the SIM card tray. Speaking of SIM cards, the Nova 13 supports dual Nano SIM cards. Unfortunately, walang support for an external microSD card, but more than enough naman yung 265GB internal storage niya in my opinion. As for its speakers, although it's just a single firing speaker, it's plenty loud. Clear din yung sound even in max volume.
Shot running in my non-stop vertical drill plot whiskey in the teapot ethanol.
But medyo lacking siya sa bass. So if you're a bass head, you might want to listen to music with wireless buds instead. For watching videos though, it's perfectly fine. To complement the audio is the 6.7-inch OLED display up front. OLED siya so yung colors niya are very accurate and vivid. Plus it has the truest blacks. It also supports up to 120Hz refresh rate, so battery smooth siya especially when scrolling and gaming. In terms of performance naman, it runs really well. Very smooth siya from opening an app, running it, and switching to another app. For gaming though, it performs well naman, but I notice it gets a bit warm after a short while, and madali lang ma-drain ng battery. We'll have to dive deep into it sa written review. This device is actually not marketed as a gaming phone. Instead, Huawei highlights its capability in terms of mobile photography. So let's check out its cameras. For the rear, it has a 50MP ultra-vision camera and an 8MP ultra-wide macro camera. Like most new Huawei devices, it captures very clear and sharp photos, especially on low-light environments. At the front naman is ang 60MP ultra-wide portrait camera. Since malaki ang sensor niya, we can expect very clear and crisp selfie photos. Ultra-wide din siya so perfect for group selfies. Here are a few sample shots of its cameras. Aside from capturing amazing photos, may mga AI capabilities din ng Nova 13. One of my favorite is the AI Best Expression feature. It automatically selects the best facial expressions sa group photos. So wala nang mga iba na nakapikit or di nakasmile. Meron din siyang AI Object Remove, so pwede natin tanggalin ng objects or mga tao from a picture. One downside though is wala siyang Google services, but you can easily fix that with Gbox, which is already pre-installed. We'll just make a separate video for that. If you want to know its specs, I'll post it on screen now. Pause nyo lang ang video to check it out. If interested ka to get the Huawei Nova 13, you can get it for 25,999 pesos. Available siya on Huawei Experience stores and kiosks nationwide, as well as online sa Huawei Online Store, Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. Links will be in the description box below. But bago kayo bumili though, you can check out my written in-depth review at DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be also in the description box pag na-publish na. That's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Nova 13. If you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Click nyo din yung notification bell to get notified when we have new videos. Once again, this is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.